Hey curl fam, are you short on time but still want to achieve some beautiful curls? Well, keep watching. I'm starting with the black castor oil and shea shampoo from Camille's Rose and making sure I work it throughout my scalp. After rinsing, I will go in a second time to cleanse. This is an oil-infused hair cleanser crafted to strengthen strands, restore shine, and improve manageability. I will continue to cleanse throughout the length of my hair. After I rinsed out the shampoo, I definitely noticed a shine to my hair. I will now follow up with a deep conditioner. And I will now apply it to my hair, starting with the ends because we all know that's the oldest part of the hair. I will now allow the deep conditioner to sit on my hair for about 5 to 10 minutes and then I will rinse it out. I like to go ahead and start styling my hair while my hair is completely drenched, and I am going in with the leave-in conditioner from Melanin. This has literally become a new favorite of mine. You can use this in many ways. You can use it as a conditioner, a leave-in conditioner, a detangler, or just a daily moisturizer. It is designed to soften, moisturize, and help repair your hair from the inside out. I will now follow up with the twisting butter from Camille Rose. Now, if you've been following me on my channel, then you know that this is a definitely staple for me. This styling butter is crafted to moisturize and elongate strands. Making sure I smooth the product throughout my hair. After I'm done styling, I will air dry for a few minutes and then diffuse and come back with some beautiful curls. Hope you enjoyed this quick curly hair routine. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification for the next time I upload. See you on my next one. Bye.